We're going to talk about how to add in images from the site into a project, right? There are many ways of doing this. Now, images are an important part of the project because it enables you to kind of bring all of the information from the site at any given time into the project. So when you open a project, you notice that there is this section called Media, right? We talked about the project binder. These are all the documents that we put in. There's a section called Media. Now, you can certainly import documents in, import images from your local hard drive. You might have that, or you might want to try to use InQI's Project Cam, which I have now as broadcasting into here, so I can show you the recording of it. So when you go to Project Cam, you simply will go in and you will basically sign in to the project itself. There's an app on App Store and also Google Play Store. You have to log in with the same username as you do with that you logged into the system at, right? So you basically click on Sign In, and you are logged in to the project itself. Now, this is where you are able to basically select any other projects that you have. There's one project here called James Property. If you open it, you notice that there are documents in here, all the documents we imported, and there are no images. You can simply click on Capture Image and bring in images into the system. That's that easy and how it works. It is always in your pocket, and you can take it with you anywhere you like to go. To operate the Project Cam is very easy. Use your Android or your iPhone. You go to the site. It's GPS enabled, so it will find the location of the address that you're looking for. As you take pictures, documents are imported, or pictures are imported into the media folder and become available for you to see. Documents could be anything from pictures that you take, videos that you take, or you could be taking a picture of a forum on site that you can put in the project. Using the Project Cam, you can simply bring in all of the images from the site on an ongoing basis to the project folder, and also enables your teammates to continuously provide additional images into the project as well. As your users take pictures from the field, they become available into the media folder. You can browse through them. You can see the latest updates, you can put comments on it, and various other matters that are there. So basically what we have in the project folder itself, not only we have a site plan, we have the ability with Project Cam to capture all of the image and documents and videos from the site. We have a location to put all related documents in, and we can get exports and get a site plan and everything else out too. Everything is integrated into one folder, so that one project folder, so you can benefit from it.